Finding the right speaker mount can be a real struggle, especially when you want that perfect sound without clutter. Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid.
Product number 1, Home Mount Speaker Wall Mount Brackets. Priced at just $15.99, this 2-pack immediately caught my attention with its sleek design and sturdy build. If you want reliable wall mounts for your speakers, this is worth a serious look. What really stands out about these mounts is their adjustable features. You can tilt them up to 20 degrees and rotate them up to 80 degrees, giving you the flexibility to find that sweet spot for your sound. Plus, with a weight capacity of 8 pounds, they're perfect for smaller speakers without worrying about them falling off the wall. Lots of people love them. 300 plus sold in just the past month, so there's definitely demand. But here's the thing. Some users mentioned that the installation could be tricky if you're not careful with the screws. Now, I'll be real with you, if you're not comfortable with DIY tasks, that might be a concern. However, for most people, the ease of adjustability and solid build make it a minor issue. This is perfect for you if you need an affordable, reliable wall mount for smaller speakers. Skip this one if you're looking for something to hold heavier audio equipment. For the price, the value is pretty solid. Now, if the installation concerns of the home mount bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with easier mounting options.
Product number 2, the Jumbo Pro Grip Ultra Stainless Steel Speaker Wall Mount. The Jumbo Pro Grip Ultra Stainless Steel Speaker Wall Mount, priced at $25.99. Right off the bat, the stainless steel construction caught my eye as it promises durability and strength. If you want a mount that'll stand the test of time, this is worth checking out. What makes this mount special is its ball and clamp design, which gives you incredible flexibility for audio distribution. You can swivel it in multiple directions to get the best sound experience, which is crucial if you're setting up a home theater. It supports speakers up to 10 pounds, and with over 200 units sold last month, it's clear this product resonates with buyers. However, some reviews pointed out that it might not fit all speaker brands, which could be a deal breaker. But here's the thing, if you have standard speakers and are keen on a robust mount, this shouldn't deter you. Just make sure to double-check compatibility. This is perfect for you if you have cube-style speakers and need robust support. Skip this one if you're using larger, unconventional speakers. For the build quality, I'd say it's a decent investment. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for compatibility and ease of use.
Product number 3, the Wally Speaker Wall Ceiling Mounts. This product is all about versatility, allowing you to mount on walls or ceilings. If you want flexibility in installation, this is worth a serious look. These mounts hold up to 7.7 pounds, making them suitable for most bookshelf satellite speakers. The design is clean and modern, which fits well in any room. They come with a full mounting kit that makes installation a breeze, perfect for someone who doesn't want to spend hours setting up. Plus, with hundreds sold last month, they have a solid reputation. One downside is that the max weight capacity is slightly lower than some alternatives. Some users mentioned that they wished it could handle heavier speakers. However, if your speakers are within the limits, this is a minor concern. This is perfect for you if you want a straightforward, aesthetically pleasing mount. Skip this one if you have larger speakers that exceed the weight limit. For the price, it's hard to beat. If the lower weight capacity of the Wally didn't sit well with you, let me introduce a mount that can handle even more weight. Product number 4, MIPCO Adjustable Speaker Wall Mount Holder. The MIPCO Adjustable Speaker Wall Mount Holder, priced at $22.99. What grabbed my attention here is the 360-degree rotation adjustment, allowing you to angle your speakers just right. If you want maximum adjustability, this is worth considering. The MIPCO mount can hold speakers up to 10 pounds and features a sturdy aluminum alloy construction. The flexibility offered by the twisting Loctite ring means you can easily adjust the speaker's angle without hassle, ensuring you get the best sound experience. It's also designed to be easy to install, which is a huge plus for anyone wary of DIY projects. Over 100 units have flown off the shelves in the past month, proving its popularity.
However, some buyers found the instructions a bit lacking, which can be frustrating if you're not a seasoned installer. But honestly, most people can figure it out, and the ease of adjustment makes it a worthwhile choice. This is perfect for you if you want flexibility for a home small speaker setup. Skip this one if you prefer a mount that can handle heavier speakers. The price point is pretty reasonable for what you get. Now, if you're looking for something heavy-duty, the next product might just be your best bet.
Product number 5, Bohrenburr Universal Speaker Wall Mount. Last but not least is the Bohrenburr Universal Speaker Wall Mount, retailing for $29.97. This one stands out for its heavy-duty design, able to hold up to 32 pounds. If you have larger speakers, this is worth a serious look. The Bohrenburr mount is made of die-cast aluminum, ensuring durability for the long haul. Its ability to tilt up to 120 degrees and swivel 180 degrees gives you the ultimate flexibility in positioning your speakers for the best sound. It even comes with all the hardware you need, so installation is a breeze, no hunting around for extra bits. With around 100 units sold last month, it's gaining traction among users. That said, this mount doesn't work with certain Bose models, which has frustrated some buyers. But if your speakers are compatible, this is a non-issue. The strength and adaptability of this mount make it a top contender. This is perfect for you if you have larger speakers and need a reliable mount. Skip this one if you're using smaller or specific Bose models. For the quality and capacity, it's a solid investment. Now, let's wrap up and compare the features of all these great options.
If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Bohrenbauer because of its impressive weight capacity and heavy-duty construction. On the flip side, I'd avoid the Jumble if you have unconventional speaker sizes. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.